Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl M, and we're going to be talking about the Always pan from Ourplace. So if you're interested in seeing what this pan has to offer, then please keep on watching. Alright, so let's get down to business because we need to talk about this pan. So this pan has been stalking me on Instagram forever. I've been seeing tons of videos on it on YouTube. So I just did it. I bought it, and this is not sponsored. They did not, ask me to do anything, in regards to filming anything around this product. I decided to do this myself because I was super interested in the product. I've lately been looking for options other than your typical non-stick pans, just because I've been doing a little bit more research, and it seems to be pretty toxic in cases. So I wanted to look for some other options, and the Always pan has basically been the one that has been showing up the most, and of course it's aesthetically pleasing, so why wouldn't I get it? So just to get things started, so I picked this pan up. It's in the pink color, and it is super cute. Like, it's a cute pan, I can't even lie. Like, it's really cute. It's very light, and it's just so aesthetically pleasing. It comes with a spatula and this basket. And it just looks really good. It looks like a really good pan, so I'm really excited to use it. The one thing that I will say about the pan that I'm not loving so far is that if you can see, let's see if you guys can zoom in a little bit. Okay, so the edges, it has like the paint marks around it, which, isn't the end of the world, but since I am paying for this, I just would have liked to see it be a little bit more cleaner. So there's like paint marks, like the pink paint around it is kind of seeping over where the inside of the rim is, so that right there isn't too nice. But we're gonna see how this baby cooks, and if she does a good job, then she's good. So let's see how I like it. I'm gonna be cooking some meals with it, and I will give you guys my thoughts after I'm done. Really good. This is how I make my pasta Alfredo sauce. Kind of like cream sauce, not Alfredo. It's like a cream sauce with shrimp, some tomatoes and spinach. It's everything. Okay, so after cooking with it, you know, seeing what it can do, I would definitely recommend this pan. It's seriously such a cute pan anyway, so it's just nice to have out. I don't have to worry about storing it because I just want it to be displayed. It was super easy to clean. It was completely non-stick, which is nice. So if you're someone who's looking to kind of really focus on losing weight or anything like that, you don't need a lot of oil or anything like fats or anything to keep the food from sticking from the pan, since it's completely basically non-stick. So you can definitely reduce a lot of calories that way, and it's just a really nice functional pan. I absolutely love the little hole for the spatula, so you could just have it resting there. You don't have to worry about it being on your countertop or having to use another plate or anything like that, so you have to like wash another thing. It's just super functional, which I absolutely love and appreciate. But overall, I would totally recommend this pan. It's solid, it is super easy to use, and really does replace a lot of pans. So if you're in a dilemma like me where you're kind of looking at restarting your whole you know, pan and dishware and all that stuff, like really going after some really good pieces, then you definitely want to pick yourself up an Always pan from Ourplace. So that's it, y'all. I think that's it. I think so. Yeah, that's it. All right, y'all. So thank you so much for watching. Please let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below, because I want to know what you think about this pan too. I know you've been seeing it on Instagram, and I know you've seen tons of YouTubers talking about it. This is my non-sponsored true opinion. I did pay my own coins for this. I paid my own coins. Okay? Not sponsored. So yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.